Hello, hi, this is Godwin, ArchiTD-FX, ArchiTD-FX. I'm still trying to wrap my tongue around the name. Uh, but this is a USD card, and I'm trying to show my thought process and how I enter this trade, which I'm currently in. I want to first say this is a FTMO. This is a free trial, FTMO free trial, which I'm currently doing, and I'm doing it for the purpose of documentation. I'm doing this for the purpose of documentation. I'm also doing this for the purpose of starting my journey as a proprietary frame trader soon. So I want to just show my thought process, how I trade, and what I look out for. So this USD card, I'm currently in a sell position on USD card, but how do I come to enter this position? So this is it. As you can see on the daily time frame, price is on a downtrend. From this area, price has been on a downtrend. So with that established, let's look deeper into the chart. From here, we can see an equidistance channel that's price created. From here, a push up, a retracement, another push up, and price push up to 2750, 1.2750. At this point, price started coming down, and price broke out of this channel with a bearish candle, which is this candle. When price broke out, from there price has retraced, and this equidistance channel, like a break of a trend line, and now this trend line is now acting as a dynamic support resistance if we look at it closely. And also, when you take a fib of this retracement from here, from this top down here, we can see that price is finding it difficult to break above the 50 level, above the 32 level, 32.8%, to break above it and trade above it with momentum. But what's led me to take this trade is this very candle. Yesterday candle is a sell candle, seller's market, bearish market, and the previous day before yesterday happens to be a bull candle, bearish candle. So this two pattern is showing a bearish engulfing pattern. And with every other thing I've said on the daily charts, which I also put into consideration, then I go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that, just as you can see on my chart here, I use the red vertical line to show a whole week activity. So from this red vertical line to this red vertical line is a whole week activity. I'm interested in the high and low of the week. And for when the markets open, I'm looking at the high of last week. Into the high of last week when the markets resume this week, so that the market resume with a bullish momentum, with a bullish candle, and the next candle a bearish, the next candle a bearish, the next candle a bearish candle, then the candle that follows it a bullish candle. If we look at these two candles here, we'll say the bull is a bullish engulfing pattern, that the bullish momentum is coming into the market and should see a further push up above last week high. But looking at how this bullish candle closed, you see that it closed below last week high, and because of that, that itself shows that the momentum, the bullish momentum, is not really there. And if you look at the next candle print, the one that follows it, price could not break above last week high. And immediately I see this, I begin to look into my lower time frame, my 1 hour chart, my 15-minute chart, my 5-minute chart, with my trading rule and trading parameters, what I'm looking for in the lower time frame. And I set sell limit orders yesterday, which was Tuesday. Price fill me in. I believe it's on this very particular candle print on the 4-hour chart that price fill me in. And when price fill me in, I was in the trade already, sell. And before this bullish momentum, this 4-hour bullish momentum, and this 4-hour bullish momentum gave the low of yesterday low. If we go to the 1-hour chart, you will see all this. And immediately we see that low. Yesterday low. I look at it, I begin to do my analysis, and I begin to say, okay, what will happen? Yesterday low broke Monday low. So more of like, hopefully, less probability that this week high has been established. But we'll see as the market, as the currency markets represents through the week anyway. But immediately I saw yesterday low and I checked Monday low, I started looking for area to enter for a sell. And I have some certain rules on the 15-minute chart and on the 5-minute chart which I apply. I set pending orders, which I did. And my pending order was filled in today at the London Open. This particular candle at the London Open. This 10 o'clock candle. 10 o'clock candle on my MT4 here. Price fill me in for it. I place a sell limit, price fill me in. Immediately price fill me in for a sell. I say, okay, let me see what this market will do. Of course, I have my rule, my lower time frame rule, my entry time frame rule, which I've already done. So I set that sell limit and price fill me in at the London push up here. This particular candle, price fill me in exactly at the tip, at the high of that candle wick. And I'm currently in this sell position on USDCAD. Just as I've said, it's a free demo FTMO account, and this is the exact position I'm talking about. USDCAD. It's a 20 lots. You might say this lot is big, but if you've done your analysis, you follow your trading plan, you follow your trading rules. My trading plan is a rule-based trading, so follow some certain rules, and my entry rules, my 15-minute chart and my 5-minute chart are very, 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 very organized. I try to follow it with no emotion. Most time I use what is called limit orders, pending orders. So I set a pending order. If price get there, fill me in, good. If it doesn't get there, well, fill me in. I don't chase the price. So in this case, it filled me in. So I'm just looking how this position will materialize. And if you check very well, this position, the stop loss parameter is placed. stop loss parameter is placed and the take profit parameter is also placed. So a 25 pips stop loss, a 50 pip take profits. So 1 to 2, this is just a 1 to 2 position, 1 to 2 RR. And if you look at the trade, as you can see, stop loss, take profit parameter, everything is placed there. So I already know if this go against me, I know, okay, I'm wrong and I'm ready to accept. So this is allowing me to work on my trading plan, my entry plan, my money management and everything. On this particular position, I'm risking a 1.5 of the total equity of my account. So let's see how the trade plays out. I also want to share my Bitcoin trade, BTCUSD. I'm still learning on this cryptocurrency. I'm not yet there, but there's room for learning and I'm ready to learn. So looking at this daily chart, we can see that price kept moving up, got to a particular high, like 6,000. I don't know how Bitcoin is being used, but 6,000. Let's go to 6,000 area, and price cannot break above it. Price broke above it, did like a fake out. If you know what I mean by fake out, did like a fake out, and price came back into below 6,000, and price created another higher low, a higher low, first higher low, and from there price drop. And price met a whole lot of resistance here, a whole lot of support at this area. And from this area, we can see that price rallied up. Now, I'm currently in a sell position on Bitcoin, BTCUSD. Now, if we look at this chart, take a feed from this high to this low, we will see that this current push-up is approaching a 50% level. And at this 50% level, we will see some price action on the lower time frame. If we go to the lower time frame, these two red vertical lines represent the weekly activities. So I'm interested in the high and the low of the week. And how did the market begin trading into the high of the week? I begin to look at it. We can see that price tried breaking the high of the week, but price pushed down, could not break above it when the week started. Price find another support area and price push up again. So price created another high, broke above last week high, created another high, and there's been a bit of price action around this area. And if we go to the 1 hour chart, what are we going to see? I look out for the highs. This is the first day of the week high. This is the second day of the week high. This is the third day of the week high. And now we are in the fourth day of the week. I'm just looking at Bitcoin. I trade currency basically, but I'm taking an interest in Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So I said, let me start with Bitcoin. And we can see that price is not breaking above the first day. Price broke above the first day high for the week. This high broke last week high, say the second day price broke both last week high and the first trading day high. The third day price could not break the second day high, and the fourth trading day, which is today, price is showing a bit of, we'll call this double top. It's not yet established, but because of how I view the market and the 50% of our daily chart, the fib level we took, you can see, okay, so I'm anticipating price will push up to that area, find resistance there, and probably price will push down, do a bit of retracement, then push down again. So this is just my analysis on BTCUSD. Just say, let me put it in. I'm already in. I enter with direct market execution here. I don't use pending order. So I just let me use and see what cryptocurrency, how it's being traded. So thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and also share. This is just for the purpose of learning, for purpose of my own personal documentation, and also me planning my hoping to be a proprietary frame trader using FTMO, and becoming a consistent profitable trader. So this is just me documenting my journey. This is not a signal. This is not any form of financial advice. Please do your own analysis yourself and decide if you want to trade this market or not. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. God bless. I will also be doing updates on the trade, how the trade plays out. I will do updates on it. Thank you very much. Bye.